Are you looking for a reliable way to backup or migrate your Yandex Mail data without any hassle? Introducing Regain Yandex Mail Backup and Migration Tool, an advanced software that smoothly takes the backup of Yandex Mail account including with all folders. To download this software, go to Google and search for Regain Yandex Mail Backup and Migration. On Google's search page, open this website. This is the official website of Regain software. Here click on the free download button to download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, double-click on the exe file to start the installation procedure. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. After the installation is completed, right-click on the software icon and run it as administrator. This is the user interface of the software. Here besides Yandex Mail, you can log in other email accounts too. To log in your Yandex Mail account, first select Yandex Mail. Then enter your Yandex Mail email address in the email address field. Enter the correct password in the password field. Make sure to use app password in case two-step verification is turned on in your Yandex Mail account, and then click on the login button. As a result, all the mailbox folders of your Yandex Mail will be successfully imported on this software. Simply just click on any folder and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top right panel. Then click on any email and you will get a preview of it at the bottom right panel. Now click on the export button. In this export option wizard, you have the option to back up your mailbox into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML and many more formats. For now I am selecting the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Choose the destination folder where you want to save the output file. And then click on the OK button. Finally click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the backup process will be started and once it's done the output file will be saved on your local directory. Besides backup, this software also supports the cloud migration feature. With this feature, you can directly migrate your mailbox emails to other email clients. For tutorial purpose, I will log in Gmail account. For that, first select the Gmail or G Suite option. Enter Gmail address in the email address field. Enter the correct password in the password field. In case you have turned on two-step verification on your Google account, you need to use app password. Otherwise, use the Google account's main password. And then click on the Login button. Then in this window, click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started and once it's done, all the mailbox emails will be available on Gmail. To verify the migration, let's open Gmail. Here you can see that all the emails have been successfully migrated. So if you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.